Hi, so kama kawaida, I'm here to share with you information on how you can immigrate to UK. And as you can see, we'll be talking about Tier 2 General Visa. This is a UK work visa, and it's issued for highly skilled workers from outside the European Economic Area and Switzerland. So it means that if you're outside UK, you can immigrate to UK using Tier 2 General Visa. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to look for these jobs, and then you can apply for the visa, because you get the job first and then apply for the visa. And for a company or anyone who is willing to sponsor you to go and work in UK using Tier 2 General visas, they have to be licensed to do that. There's a list of companies that are sponsored or are not sponsored, are licensed for that matter. So I'm going to take you through that also, but I really need to help you understand what this entails, to avoid the normal usual questions or how can I go about it. So guys, if it's your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. On this channel, I talk about travel information or how you can immigrate to different countries without using an agent or a traveling consultant. And please consider subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking in. I really appreciate your help and support. So guys, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please do so now, and let's get into it. So guys, as I've told you, the Tier General Work Visa is a UK work visa, and it's for skilled workers. So you need to be skilled. When I say skilled, I mean this is not for the unskilled workers, okay? And we'll be looking mostly on home care, because this is one of those departments that needs a lot of people to go and work in the UK. So they say, as a holder of Tier 2 General Work Visa, you will be permitted to travel outside the UK while on this visa. You can also bring dependent to UK on a Tier 2 department visa. So these visas allow you to bring your spouse, it allows you to bring your spouse, your kids. It helps you to immigrate with them in UK. So who needs the UK Tier 2 visa? So this is the eligibility criteria for the visa. First of all, you must pass the general ground for refusal. So these I will not go into details. And you also must have a job from a sponsoring employer in UK for skilled jobs, or a job in a shortage list, okay? And as I've told you, we'll be looking into home care, because it's one of the jobs that are on shortage list. And then have a Tier 2 visa. Minimum salary offered is 30,000 euros per year. Okay, so these are I'll leave a link on for you to go through this information, so that you can get like a clear understanding of all this. Okay, so I'll take you now to the website where you can look for these jobs and how to find them. So let's get there. So the second website that I'm going to take you through is called the Tier 2 Sponsor List. That is all companies that are eligible to hire immigrants from overseas, or people from overseas, to come and work in the UK So, and the good thing about this list, it has all the details, and it's always good if if you're in a position, if you're interested in a particular to apply with a particular company, all their contacts are always in their website. I would advise you to go ahead and make that call. Invest on your research, invest on information, make that call. Even if, of course, you're outside UK. I'm making this video for people who are outside UK. Make that call, inquire, so that at least you know what the company is all about, and if they have like a vacancy or any openings, and that will help you know how to go about the application. So all these are the companies that are eligible to bring people to UK from overseas using the sponsor tier 2 visa. Okay, as I've told you guys, this visa is for those who are skilled. It's for skilled workers, and I'm sure there's so many people who watch my YouTube channel who are skilled and would love to immigrate to UK using this visa. I have a few people who have immigrated to UK through the same visa. So I asked some questions to them, well, because I really needed to understand how the process goes. Actually, one of them told me it took her, like after getting the job and getting the papers, it took her only 3 weeks to get the visa. Only 3 weeks. She had her tier 2 visa ready, and she was now ready to immigrate to UK. She's a nurse actually. So if you're a nurse, if you're a caregiver, and when I say a caregiver, you need to have a diploma. Okay, at least a diploma. You need to have experience, and you have to make a good CV, so that at least when you apply for the job, the employer will find you fit for that position. Again, it's not only you who is doing this application. People are doing this application from everywhere in the world. Okay, so for you to stand up, you need to prepare yourself well. So this is the list. I'm going to leave the link, and as you can see, it shows up there in the description box, so that you guys can go ahead and check, and check. So let me show you how to filter. For example, let's check at care homes, okay, and then search. So these are the companies that can hire you if you want to go and work as a caregiver. Okay, we have the Three Trees Care and Support Limited. So this is a company that can bring people to UK. Okay, so what you do, you just click on them and go ahead and check. Okay, you get their details, you get to check if what is all about. Okay, this is their website actually. Okay, this is their website, and leave your contact details and we'll get back to you. You see, you can leave your full name, your email, and submit, and you will get to see all their details, and you can go ahead and contact them and know more about them. That's how you invest on searching for everything. There is also another one here. This is another company that can hire you from overseas. There's this John. There's a care home. This is called care. This is a care industry. Is a care home, and so it's called the AG Supply Solutions. Okay, that's the name of the company. There's another one. This is 365 Care Limited. This is how you check the names. Okay, guys. So you see, after you see the companies here, you can go ahead and search them. Now, like, you can go to your search engine and type the names. Like this one is called Adamson Care House. So let's look at them. I'll show you how to go about it. So this is the company. This company has been licensed to hire people from overseas. So you go ahead and learn more about them. This is their contact. As I've told you, they pull all their information here, and you can contact them and know more about how to go about it, how to apply for jobs you through them, you know. So as you can see, all these are under home care. Again, let me show you. You can go ahead if you're in another industry, for example those who are in IT, you just click on IT, telecommunications, and then boom, you have all those companies that are sponsored. Sorry about that, I got a call. So as you can see, those who are in IT, these are the other companies and this is how you get to look for jobs, guys. As I always tell you, it's not easy, but if you know how to go about it, you can do it. Okay, so this is a company, it's called the 5G Communication Limited, and if you see it listed here, it means these are jobs that require people in the UK. Okay, so you can go ahead and apply, and and you can go ahead and apply. Okay, so all these are the risks. And then if you want to search for any other department, so these are the departments that are there. Okay, all these departments. If you're in travel and tourism, if you're in real estate, radio and televisions, all this mining and civil engineers and architects, agriculture, education, finance. So it has like all the fields that here you just need to click on any, and then it will bring you the companies that have been licensed to hire people from overseas and bring them through tier 2 sponsor visa. Okay, so guys, I hope this video will help you, but again, this is just an overview. You just need to do your homework and go ahead and search. It's really easy, as I've shown you. That's how you do it. And then apart from this, I'm going to, I think it's the same, this is the list of the company, but I'll also show you how to search for them, though I've shown you here in another website also, and I'm going to link all those websites on the description box of this video, so that it will be easy for you to just click and go to each and every website and check. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Leave a comment, ask any question. If you want me to do any video on any specific country or any topic, just leave a comment and I will do my research and bring you all the information that you need. So guys, let's I guess this will be the end of this video, and let me see you in the next one. Bye bye.